I have a very good news. I fixed the drone. I was so worried it's gonna be the end of my drone footage on this trip, but I bought all material super glue. Basically there was only the plastic broken, nothing wrong with the gimbal itself, only the plastic on the gimbal was broken. So I glued it together and it works. Brilliant. Well, I will see you guys in Czech Republic. Welcome to Česká republika. I'm in Czech Republic, country number 4. Thank you very much, Germany. I really enjoyed that. But now it's time to explore a new country. Czech Republic. I'm excited about Czech Republic because this is the first country I can speak in my language. Czech and Slovakian understand everything each other. It's a very, very similar language. So this is the first country I don't need to speak English anywhere. Anyway, it's almost 11 o'clock. I still have 6 hours, more than 6 hours to go, 413 kilometers. I'm going to a small village on the top of Brno, and there tomorrow it's gonna be an exciting day because tomorrow from the morning I'm gonna be driving 2 hours to one small town called Rožno, where I'm meeting my dad, who is coming from Slovakia to meet me there. There's supposed to be some motorbike event, which I'm looking forward to. And then we'll be driving back home to Slovakia, to Liptovský Mikuláš, the town where I came from when I was born. And finally see my family and friends and spend a few days there. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some mileage done again and I'll talk to you later. very nice. I'm getting closer to my family. Perfect weather, perfect roads. What more could you ask for? Thank you. Hello fellas. Enjoying the beer in the hot weather? Yeah, I wish I could as well. Dobrý deň. Áno, ešte dačo studené napitie. Nepotrebujem, ďakujem pekne. Nový. Isn't she beautiful? I have to say that Czech drivers are the worst I've seen so far. If any of you guys are Czech and watching this, don't get me wrong, and I'm sorry, but it's true. They ride so close to each other. They would follow you like 2 meters behind you for very long time, and they would overtake you in the worst situation ever. Like exactly the situation what happened to me in Germany. Jesus Christ! Man! Exactly drivers like that are here, and it's a lot of them. Bambi, you need to be careful! That's why I'm going slower. Okay, it looks like I made it. Another 460 or 70 kilometers done today. Oi, I forgot to turn. That's because I'm so tired. Where is it? Here on the right. Mimo návštěvníků. That's okay. Já jsem návštěvník. Že jo? Já vám říkal, že umím česky. Excalibur. This is my accommodation for tonight. Okay guys, I'm gonna check in and I'll see you tomorrow.